All right, so welcome to the Arnett Gardens Sports Complex, the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex. We have Arnett Garden versus Cavaliers in the Jamaica Women's Premier League. This certainly sets up to be an exciting encounter between both teams. Let's get to the starting 11 as we are. Starting 11 for Cavaliers. We have Daniel Flake in goal. We have Carisha Thomas, of Asia Lee, Ashanti Lewis, Tamara O'Sullivan, Sade Berry, Sabrina Berry, Shoshana Watson, Sade Shirley, Jada Blanchett, and Kadian Edwards. Those are the starting lineup for the Cavaliers FC team. Now let's go to the Arnett Garden. We have Coral Kelly, Tashika Reed, Chanel Spence, Anneke Richards, Tiana Beswick, Shani Stewart, captain, Brianna Cosby, Naomi Moulton, Tashane Hamilton, Lydia Hall, and Shakira Douglas. That is the starting lineup for the Arnett Garden team. General man. As both teams look to kickstart this game in fine style. This, as I said, is supposed to be a really good encounter, as predicted. Arnett Garden in their customary red and black, and Cavaliers in their yellow and black. Referees look to kickstart this one. Game was set to kickstart at 3:30 p.m. Just a slight delay, nothing too serious. We look to start now. Our referee looks at his watch to kickstart the match. And we are off. Early start here. So far, Arnett Garden with a very good attacking team. They're known for the attack this season. They try to progress the ball forward. Down on the left hand side, nice bit of turn there. Referee said early infringement. Intent is quite clear in this one. Hamilton stands over this one. Goes across in central midfield. Find Reed. Reed finds Beswick. Beswick to Moulton. Back to Beswick. Being pressed there. Early press there from Ashanti Lewis, number 9 for Cavaliers. Nice bit of take there from Thomas, captain. Big switch. Wonderful switch there from Hamilton. And that's a high boot. Nothing that Arnett Gardner still in possession. Looking to add a bit of pressure. Given away there by Moulton. Big switch again from Thomas, intercepted. Here comes All. Early press, Asia Lee. And referee said infringement there as Lee was shoved off the ball. Big kick there from Blanchett to let loose Lewis. Here comes Lewis in possession. Nice bit of work there from Lewis. Goes across the goal and a brilliant save. from Kelly. Ball goes over for a corner. As Lewis looking for support. Maybe they want to go long for this one. Lewis goes across to take this one. Support there from Thomas. Thomas on the ball. Heavy play there from Thomas to Berry. Berry still in possession. Support is there for Berry. And Berry fumbles on the ball. Here comes Arnett Gardens now. Crosby. Soft touch here from Crosby. Very, very soft touch on Crosby. Throwing here to Arnett. Still in possession. As Beswick goes down to take the throw in. Over the top. Early tackle. Looking for a shot. Stewart again. Shot again from the number 11 Hamilton. Arnett attacking force as I mentioned earlier, but their defense is not the best. Here comes Lewis. She know that the Arnett doesn't have the best defense. That's the Arnett Gardens weakness. Cavaliers a very strong defense. More of a complete team than the Arnett Gardens. Arnett Gardens with a lot of attacking force. Big cross straight into the palm of Kelly in goal. Pass out wide. Here comes Arnett Gardens again. Moulton in possession. Moulton looking for support. Goes to the line to find Crosby. And Douglas, my apologies. Ball goes out of play. Still throwing to Arnett Gardens. A bit of cleanup work from Berry. So there's two Berry on the field. They have Sabrina Berry and Sade Berry. Over. Berry again to recover. Support from Lee. She goes to the line. Douglas. Give her a bit of a body feint to send her the right direction. Moulton goes down. Here comes Arnett Gardens now. Still in possession. Moulton. Nice bit of work. Nice, wonderful bit of display there from Douglas with a cross inside. Cavaliers defenders at work. Shot and goal. A soft shot there from Spence. Not much venom behind that one. Big kick. Here comes Lewis again. She's a threat. She's a big problem. Lewis downs the flank. Lewis looks inside for support. Goes across the pitch. And a bit too much body there from Watson. She's a tall figure. Here comes Arnett Gardens now. Playing her from the back. They like attacking down the left hand side of the pitch. Heavy touch here. Take a bit too long. Pass out wide. Can she retrieve it? Spence. Yes, she will. She done. Spence in possession. And ball goes off for a corner. Corner to Arnett Gardens. Pretty good start of the game so far. Intensity is not that high, but certainly it's quite decent enough. Both teams, I'm quite sure, would not want to lose this one because it is so far close up the top of the table. Douglas goes across to take this one, taking her own time actually. Can she get that one? Find someone in the box. There's quite a lot of numbers in the box. Big weak, that's a good cross. Header. Good defensive work there from Thomas. Nice first touch. Here comes. Intercepted. Arnett Gardens again. Playing the ball around quite nicely. Nice bit of work there. As Amital dictate the pace of the game. One touch, two touch. Here comes Stewart. Pass inside. Fine Hall. Nice work there, she's beat twos. Bit of work from Stewart. Look inside. Good cut there from. Goes across. Moulton now. Nice work. Unfortunately, heavy touch. Clearance here. Here comes soft touch. Lewis working extremely hard and she sees the opportunity. But Reed, Tashika Reed was across aggressive. Clean up that. Stopping it to be any further problems for the Arnett Gardens defense. Thrown here to Cavaliers. Berry. Find Lewis. Lewis again with another problem. Showing a bit of strength. It's Lewis. Berry. A body feint there from Douglas. Throwing Hamilton. Here comes Douglas now. Cuts inside. Nice bit of work there from Watson. Watson goes across the pitch. A chance here for Shirley. Unfortunately, she was taken out. Bit of defense where goalkeeper come perfect in time there to stop that one. Big switch. Nice bit of switch here. Change it. Point of attack. It's Moulton. Taking a bit too long there. Nice pass. It's a brilliant pass in between the line from Hall. Here comes Douglas now. 1v1. She's quite good 1v1. Taking a bit too long. Goes inside. Nice touch. Wonderful work. Hamilton again. And she's having a really good game so far. Nice bit of display here from Hamilton. It's certainly a good look. Good start of the game from what we've seen. Big switch trying to find Lewis. Cavaliers definitely trying to hit Lewis as early as possible. Here comes Hamilton again. Lee. Clearance here. Not the best clearance from Blanchett. Here comes Arnett Gardens again. Cut inside. Nice bit of work. Shot on goal. Spence is causing a lot of problems for the Cavaliers defenders. As I mentioned earlier before the start of the game, Arnett Gardens is quite good in the attacking third. Arnett Gardens again. Big switch to find Spence. Spence, good take from Spence. She beats one and she goes down and it's a penalty. A penalty to Arnett Gardens. Countless amount of pressure on the Cavaliers defense. Would have definitely caused some problems for the defenders. And it's a penalty. As Spence steps up to take this one. Number 10 from Arnett Gardens, Chanel Spence. She doesn't look confident though. She definitely has to make it count. Takes her time. Referee gives the goalkeeper Flake some instruction. Here comes Spence now, and she stands over this one. 11-minute opportunity here. Oh, she kicks it away. Oh my word! Not on target. She would have been very, very disappointed in herself from that one. Berry now in possession. Cavaliers. Hamilton goes across the pitch. Back to Hamilton. Berry goes out of play. Throw in here. Arnett Gardens. Pass. Here comes Douglas. Throw in here. Clearance here. Here comes Lewis now. And Referee said goalkeeper is down. The Cavaliers goalkeeper is down at this moment. Quick moment to do some. Keeper seems to receive her treatment and she back on her feet now as play sets to resume. Not the best start for the Cavaliers team. I'm sure they would definitely want a better start than this. Taking her time to get on her feet. Back on her feet now. As the referee sets to restart play. Big switch there from Thomas. Here comes Beswick in possession. Goes inside. Find Hamilton. Hamilton to Reed. Reed to Kelly. And a bit of pressure there. And Kelly clears her line. High press from the Cavaliers team. Causing some problem for the Arnett Gardens defense. An opportunity here for Cavaliers to cause some problem or seek a goal. Yeah. In games like these, normally the better attacking team are the winners. Big switch here. Intercepted by Blanchett. And it goes off a throw. Cavaliers with an early press and win the ball high up the pitch. Big switch here. Clearance here from the centre back. Not taking any chances. Nice bit of hold up play there from Watkins. Gets past two. Nice work from Watkins. As Lewis tried to switch it. My apologies to Sullivan. Free kick here to the Cavaliers team. Edwards with a switch to find Berry. Berry with a big cross. Lewis is in the box. And a header from Lewis. Oh my word. And it's offside. Brilliant attempt. Nice bit of play here from the Cavaliers team. Really good football here from really good football from the Cavaliers team there. And that's the danger that Lewis possesses. That's the threat that she has in the final third. Give her a chance. She will certainly take it. Clearance here. Hamilton. Oh, Thomas. Find Lewis. Lewis with a kick. And a shot on goal. And that's too much power in that one. She is the danger. She's the one who's going to cause a lot of problems for the Arnett Gardens defense. As you can see, most of the attack Cavaliers that have mustered so far would have come through Lewis. Stewart giving away in the midfield. Shirley to Berry. Berry back to Shirley again. Shirley down to the flank. Support is there. Big cross here inside the box. Clearance from Boswick, not taking any chance. Switch up play from Arnett Gardens 21. All again in possession. The referee called back that one. Free kick here to the Cavaliers team. An opportunity to get the ball in another dangerous area. Blanchett stands over it. Kicks that goal. Straight at goal. And the goalkeeper in good position. Hold on to that one nicely, Skelly. Here comes Arnett Gardens now. Nice touch here from Hall. Taken away. Nice work here as it goes across. As Watson's causing herself some problems in the defense. Oh, giving away there. Nice work there from Richards. Clearance by Berry. Clear lines. Here comes Richards. Richards in possession. Giving away Hall. High boot there by Hall, and referee did see that infringement. Approach the 20-minute mark now. Not much happening in this game so far, other than the penalty. And also a few attempts from Lewis. But certainly so far in this game, most of the attacking threats that have been coming from the Arnett Gardens team. Quite a closely contested matchup. Another player's down on the pitch. Quite unsure who that is. Another breaking play. It seems like it might be more serious than we initially thought. Further checks are being done. And she's back on her feet. It's actually Berry. play sets to resume now. That was actually a long break in play. That could have definitely damaged the momentum of both teams. Blanchett hit that one long. Oh, Lewis is in. It's Lewis now. Chance for Lewis. She goes to the back post. And fortunately, lost her composure just before she got the last touch on the ball to finish. Here comes Arnett Gardens now. Playing baller from the back. Goes on the line. All. Bit of work there from Thomas in the midfield. Here comes Lewis. Nice work there from Lewis, and a little bit too aggressive. Quick restart there by the Arnett Gardens team. Spence goes inside. Nice work there from Spence. Intercepted by Thomas. Here comes Moulton. Douglas trying to get around Berry. And Boss goes out of play and through into the Arnett Gardens team. Douglas. And a foul there, referee to say. Moulton now state the throw in. That's not the best throw in there. And Hamilton has to do a lot just to try to keep that one in. Throw over the top. Intercepted Hall. Goes across to find Spence. Soft touch from Spence. Still receive it. Here comes Spence now. Time and space out wide. 1v1 with Lee. Lee puts her body on her. Nice work there from Lee. Nice defensive work from Lee. A shot on goal. Shot on goal from the captain. Spence and Shanice Stewart from the left leg. Curling away from goal. Quite sure should be disappointed with that effort. Not the best effort would have seen from there. Referee halts play for first water break of the day. As we hit the 25th mark on the game here. Water break. It's Arnett Gardens 0, Cavaliers 0. Humid conditions here down at Anthony Sports Sports Complex. As the referee looks to restart play here. Throw in here from Lee. Goes down the line. Watson. Berry. Back to Lee. Berry's in there for support. She goes across. Big switch here. Goes inside, taken down by Hall. Hall looking for support as she goes wide across the pitch. One time pass. Here comes Berry again. Nice work, Thomas. Just trying to find Lewis in behind. Clearance here from nice work from Hall. Intercepted by Berry. Goes on the line. Nice work there from Berry. She goes inside. First touch. Brilliant first touch from Shirley. Shirley goes inside. Here comes. Nice pass. Nice pass. Here comes Spence in behind. And the flag goes up for offside. So, free kick here to the Cavaliers team as the official assistant decided that the attacking play from the Arnett Gardens team was offside. Yo, 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 yo. Here comes Cavaliers now. Put along by Blanchett. Bit of press here, clearance here, clearing her line. Not sure why she needed to do that. She wasn't necessarily under any much pressure. I guess she panicked. Thrown here to the Cavaliers team. As Cavaliers an opportunity now to cause some problems for the Arnett Gardens team. Throw in here. Watson is here. As Watson turns and he goes off for a corner. As Thomas goes across to take the corner. The tempo is a bit low here. Here comes Lewis. Goes across. Lewis again, still in possession. Lewis looking for the option. Goes for a shot. And goes straight at the goalkeeper. Lewis is really hunting her goal for this one. Will she get it? That's a big question. Hall now in possession. Big switch from Hall. As she goes wide to find Moulton. Moulton. Support is there from Hamilton. Nice work. Douglas. Moulton. And Thomas takes down Douglas in her stride. Free kick here to the Arnett Gardens team. Hamilton stands over it. Big switch there from Hamilton. Clearance as Berry was in a good position. Bit of pressure being applied by Shirley. Shirley in possession. Showing a bit of strength. Shirley. And she's taken down in her stride. Not a bad attempt from Shirley as she tried to evade two players here. Free kick here to the Cavaliers team. Lee stands over it, and she leaves it for Blanchett. So far would have been their set piece taker. Pretty even game here so far. Whip from Blanchett. Goes inside. Clearance. Big clearance here from Reed. Oh, here comes Spencer. Unfortunately, Spence couldn't pay that one near stride. Not one. Nice bit of first touch there. Wonderful pass here. Here comes Lewis now. Lewis is a problem for Arnett Gardens. And she couldn't keep that one in. Brilliant first touch from Tamara O'Sullivan in the middle of the part here a minute ago. Displaying her technical prowess on pitch. Hamilton. Pass inside the middle of the park. Nice turn from Hall. Stewart in possession. Goes inside. Spence. Nice work from Spence. Goes past two. And the referee said that was recovered from her illegally. Douglas and over it. Through free kick here. Goes out to find Hamilton. Nice work there from Hamilton again. Nice bit of turn here from Crosby. Goes inside, intercepted. Thomas. Straight to the defenders. And throwing here to the Cavalier team. As I mentioned earlier, if you might hear me say Berry twice, there's two Berry on the pitch. Two Berry for Cavalier. Throwing here to trying to find Watson. Berry turns. Nice with a turner from Berry. And taken on her stride by Moulton. So, free kick here to Cavalier. On the left hand side. As Blanchett stands over it. Looking to whip one of those nice crosses inside the danger area. Here comes Blanchett now. That's a nice whip from Blanchett. Inside. Here comes Moulton. And unfortunately, Crosby's running left that one. Brilliant first touch. Hamilton. Trying to find Moulton. Bit of link up here between Moulton and Hamilton. Sometimes it comes off, sometimes it doesn't. Throw in here. Lewis turns. Left Hamilton. Goes across. Trying to find Shirley. All versus Watson. Brilliant first touch again. From O'Sullivan. O'Sullivan in midfield. O'Sullivan to Watson. Watson goes across trying to find Lewis. And that's a heavy pass here. Unfortunately. She didn't have the pace to keep that one in. Giving away there. Here comes Thomas. Thomas finds Watson. Watson turns. Goes past two. It's Watson. And Beswick clears her line. Ball goes off for a corner. Corner here to Cavalier. Lewis steps up to take it. Gonna go long. Looks inside. Lewis. That's a nice delivery. Unfortunately, it wasn't as good as I thought. Restart here. Giving away inside the penalty box. A 10 man goal from Lewis. Bit ambitious there. Kelly goes long. Only drop at the feet of Thomas. Thomas heads that one out. Giving away Watson. And she couldn't react quick enough. All. Nice turn here for All. Looking for the big switch. Intercepted by Thomas. Thomas goes across. Here comes Lewis now. Danger. And she's offside. It's very unfortunate. She is most definitely the player so far on this pitch who looks likely to score. She has a lot of threat. Her threat level is quite high. Moulton goes inside to find Hall. Nice first touch from Hall. Here comes Hamilton now. Intercepted by Sullivan. Hall still in possession. Nice work. 1-2 pass between Moulton and oh, nice work there. 1-2 pass between Moulton and Crosby there. Unfortunately, Berry was in the midst of it. Thrown here as Beswick come from way down deep. Throw this one in. Beswick now looking for cross inside the box. Good defensive work there. Here comes Shirley. Shirley with a big switch. Intercepted there. Watson. Latched. Oh, good work there from Watson. And it's Shirley. Shirley looking for support. Cuts inside. Nice work from Shirley. And the defender did their job there. And it goes out for a corner. Nice bit of work from Shirley as she put Richards to sleep. And the crowd goes wild. Something to cheer about, something to make some noise for. Asia Lee goes across to take this corner. Cavaliers don't necessarily commit a lot of number. Lewis now cuts inside. Goes for the left foot. And a bit too much on it, and it goes out for a goal kick. She's really hungry. She's on the left side, she's on the right side. Hunting for the opener. Here comes Moulton now. Goes inside to find Hamilton. Hamilton back to Moulton. Intercepted by Thomas. Nice work from Thomas. Nice with a word they're trying to get Watson in. And All is there to clean up. Here comes Berry with a throw in. Onto Watson. Watson looking for support. O'Sullivan. Nice bit of play. Very, very calm and composed in the middle of the park. Back to O'Sullivan again. Nice work from O'Sullivan to find Thomas out wide. Here comes Thomas. Looking for support. Big switch from Thomas. And it goes out for a corner. Corner here to Cavalier. So approach half time in this one. Taking shot again. It's Lewis. She's gonna go for a shot again. Whip that one inside the box. Taken down by Spence. Here comes Barry now. Giving away. Nice work there. Bit of speed shown there by. Nice bit of speed there shown by Crosby. Moulton to Crosby. Crosby. And she's taken down in her stride. A lot of fouls going on in this game so far. As Thomas stands over that one. Really, really close. Has to be careful. Hamilton sends over this one. Should look to whip this one in. Hamilton. That's a nice delivery inside danger area. Taken down by Douglas. Giving away Watson. One time pass here from Watson. Out wide. Here comes Edwards now. Big switch from Edwards. And that is some good decisive defending. Two players now on the ground. We see Edwards and also Watson on the floor. Both players are back on their feet now. Only a minute to go off a regular time. Coach giving a lot of instruction onto Lewis. Set to kickstart the play here. So far it has been a really close encounter between both teams. Strong possibility the game might end just as how it started, as a 0-0 draw. There's a slight break in play here. Still unsure what the situation is or what the problem is. And set to restart. Just moments away from halftime. I don't think the referee is going to give any additional minutes because there was a lot of stoppages, breaks in play. Unsure where the free kick is going to go. Cavaliers gets the free kick as Blanchett goes across to whip this one in. I think this might be the last attack for the first half of this game. As we start again, whipped inside. Shirley is in the back post and good defensive work there from Richards. Referee indicates 3 minutes of additional time to be added on. And ball goes off for a goal kick. Not the best or the smartest move right there. Here comes play now. Douglas. Hamilton with a big switch. That's a nice switch from Hamilton. And flag raises for offside. Here comes Cavaliers again. Richard Lewis now out wide as Shirley that's at the back post. That's a big switch. Shirley cuts inside. Clearance here. Thomas now in possession. Thomas looking for support. Goes across the pitch, giving away. Here comes Hamilton now. And she sets Douglas on the wrist track. Here comes Douglas. She cuts back. Nice work there from Douglas. Here comes Thomas. Goes inside. And Shirley would have overcommit there. And very, very unfortunate. Damaged or hurt herself in the act. I think that's definitely is going to be the last action of the game, of the first half. Referee sets to restart the play here. And that is it as the referee looks at his watch. And that's the end of first half. It is Arnett Gardens 0. Cavalier 0. Pretty much a low tempo first half, but heavily contested. Both teams really trying to get the advantage. Most of the dangerous play would have come from the Cavalier number 9, Lewis. But as it stands, it's still locked at dead 0-all. Arnett Gardens 0, Cavalier 0. See you guys again for the second half. We're back for the second half as we look to kickstart the second half in fine style. As the referee makes his checks and balance to see what. Just to kickstart the second half. So we are in good hands here right now at this moment. So referee checks his time, and we're back with the second half in this game. It's Cavaliers 0, Arnett Gardens 0. Early intent there from Cavaliers through Sullivan. Pass inside. Here comes Lewis. Lewis again. Lewis with the left foot shot, and Lewis. The intent from Lewis is really, really early here, showing what she wants, what she's up to, what her plans are for this game. Here comes Cavaliers again with a shot from way out. Substitution made by Cavaliers to get the Nelson, Shanheen Nelson, coming on in the number 19. Late appearance here by her. One of the really talented players in the squad. Here comes Arnett Gardens now in the ascendancy. Douglas. Big switch here. Spence is in behind. And referee said that is a foul as she nudged Lee just before moving on into the channel. Berry. Boot this one out. She looks long. Big kick from, that's a nice kick delivery from Berry. Not taking any chance. Shirley nods that one over. Here comes the Arnett Gardens defense. They're in trouble. They're in a bit of trouble here. Nice work from Shirley. Thomas is here support. Nice work from Shirley. Thomas here now. And good work there from defenders. Intercepted again. O'Sullivan. Nice turn from O'Sullivan. And it's a foul there, says the referee. If you're just joining, watching MG Sports TV, this is the Jamaica Women Premier League. Cavaliers versus Arnett Gardens. Arnett Gardens, the home team, versus Cavaliers, the away team. Game is locked at 0-0 so far. A very interesting encounter. Nelson now stands up to take this one. She has a really good left foot. Looking to hit this one from way out. Looking to hit this one. She has a very good left foot. Kelly inside the goal now. Setting her a wall. She looks up. We should go for power placement. Hit. Basically a loop ball. And Kelly takes that one nicely. Quick throw there from Kelly. Trying to find Moulton. Moulton goes to the line. Douglas. Inside. Hall. Taken away by Nelson. Nelson goes inside. Shirley. A back pass here. Poor pass here from Shirley. Nice work there. Here comes Nelson. Lee goes inside. Nice pass here from Lee. Here comes Thomas. Looks for support. Looks to the back post. Goes across to the goal. And the goalkeeper was in a really good position. Nice work so far from Kelly. Keeping Arnett Gardens in this game. She's been good. She has been really good. Giving away O'Sullivan now. Nice pass from Sullivan. Back to Nelson. Shirley. Pass here from Shirley. Trying to release Lewis in behind. Moulton in possession. Douglas dropping deep for support. Moulton slips. Here comes Nelson. Takes away. Nelson goes across goal. And the goalkeeper couldn't hold that one. Kelly just parried that one out. Goes over our corner. Nelson is definitely a big addition to this Cavalier attack. She's really, really good. Since coming in, she's causing a lot of problems for the Arnett Gardens defenders. It's all been Cavalier so far since the second half of the game. Nelson to whip this one in. As I said, she has a really good left foot. Numbers are in the box. With that one, that's a good delivery. Shirley's there. Also, here comes Lewis. That's one play. Don't want to get the ball in the box. Edwards goes right back to her centre back. Here comes Lee. Lee goes across. Goes inside. Nice work from Lee. Lewis. Sullivan with a shot from way out. Just trying to get Lewis in behind. Big kick there from Kelly. Goes across. Spence. Lee. Very powerful. Nice work from Lee. Very, very good defensive work from Lee. And Lee seems to be in some problem. Thrown here. Stewart. Spence. Nice work there from Berry. Stewart again. On to Spence. Spence beats one. Get past Berry. Spence with numbers in front of her. Heavy touch here. Here comes Stewart. Cross inside the box. Unfortunately, that lack intent and quality. Restart of play here from the Cavalier team. Goes inside. Edwards goes long. Lewis is on the hunt. Reed in central area. Taken away. Nice work from Sullivan. Nice pass. And unfortunately, too heavy for Crosby. Throw inside here. Toss it for it. Here comes Thomas. And referee said nothing in that one. And Thomas is down. And altercation between the referee and coach of the Cavalier team as he goes for the yellow card. And the Cavalier coach, head coach, receives a yellow card because he thought that the challenge here was overly aggressive from the Arnett Gardens defender on his captain. So Thomas, she goes down after that challenge. He's furious because he wants to protect his players and he can't afford to lose, especially his captain. She's back on her feet at this moment. One thing for sure, since for those who don't really watch women football, it's definitely one of the most aggressive kind of football you'd ever watch, sit and watch. It's very, very aggressive. There's no such thing as 50-50. It's just all 100. Either you win it or you lose it. Restart of play here. Blanchett going across to take this. As you know, she is a free kick specialist. Blanchett whipped inside. Nice delivery. Lewis is there and the handball. And the referee said handball there. Will he take it quickly? And this is not a good look. And bit of heated altercation going on here. Referee trying to take control of the situation before it gets out of hand. Nelson stands over to take the free kick. Just hoping that the temperature of the game settles down now, because it's certainly been one intense matchup. A lot of players are actually very, very familiar with each other. So very, very uncertain why there's the issue of problems or trouble in this game. Free kick here to the Cavalier team, as referee calls across the two captains to have a conversation. Good a bit of game management here from the referee, stamping his authority on the game. Taking a bit longer to restart the play, not sure what's the hold up. This is definitely the opportunity, a big opportunity for the Cavalier team. Play sets to restart here. Finally, gonna have some action. Quite a lot of stoppages in this game, and when there is a break in play, definitely can see the momentum actually break. Here comes Nelson now with himself up to keep this one. Good kick from Nelson. She really hit that one nicely. Driver laces through that one. Unfortunately, she couldn't keep that one down. That's the first big opportunity for the second half. We're hitting the whole mark now. As the game continue in this manner, we're drifting further and further away from seeing a goal. Heavy touch here. Here comes Lewis. Lewis again. Lewis in possession. Beats one. Nelson. Tackle on Nelson there. And Douglas receive a yellow card for a tackle on Nelson a minute ago. She sees herself in the referee's book. Thomas lurking at the back post. Berry's there as well. Shirley. Lewis. O'Sullivan attacking the box. Front and back post. Nelson stands over this one to whip it in. Whipped in by Nelson. To the back post. Straight at goal. And too much was in that one. Play we saw here as Reed steps up to take a shot as she normally do. Maybe that's not the time for this now. Reed goes along. Hall nicely taken in the midfield by Hall. Pass on line. Here comes Douglas. And Blanchett is there to clean up. Goes on the line. Here comes Richards. Not taking any chances. It's Richards. Thrown here to Cavalier. Thrown here to Arnett. Nice first touch from Spence. And ball there. Free kick to Arnett Garden. Nelson stopping them from taking it early. Hamilton stands over it. Crosby at the back post. Spence at the back post as well. Will she try and find any one of them? Whip to the back post. Spence goes for it. And nicely done by Flake. She hits that one out, and unfortunately, highly doubt anyone can keep that in. Goes out of play from Hamilton. Throwing. Lewis. She couldn't take that one. Clearance by Reed. Lee. O'Sullivan. Here comes Nelson now over the top, trying to launch Shirley in. Box up at the post. Goalkeeper misses. And luckily, Beswick was there to clean up. As Kelly came for that one and she totally missed the ball. But Beswick was there in her defense to help her clean up that mess. Nelson now. Turn from Nelson. Goes inside. Bozic. Clearance here by Bozic. Lee. Miss that. Miss Lee. Here comes now. Chance here. Goalkeeper. And she missed that one as well. It's Spence. And Spence goes a goal. And unfortunately, nothing was in that one. She did not get enough on it. As Flay came, she got a nod onto the ball, but it was not enough. So it literally just went by her. Here comes Cavalier. All right. Goes long down the line, unfortunately. No target on that one. No intent on that one to find anyone. Just to hit it down the line. To the side. Hamilton. Nice work from Hamilton. Taken away by Sullivan. All no. In possession. And that's a foul. Free kick here to the Arnett team. Hamilton sends over it. Looking at Crosby. And goes straight at the goalkeeper. Booted out by Flake. Nelson. Clearance by Reed. Spence turn. Lee's there. Nice turn there from Berry. Goes over the top trying to find Lewis. Here comes Lewis. Unfortunately, couldn't get off that one there. Lewis again. Goes across. Fortunate pass, still finds someone. Lewis again. Goes across, trying to find Thomas. As you can see, Lewis is not necessarily the best passer of the ball. Spence now. Stewart. Back to Spence. And Lee was in a good position there to pick that one up. Stewart looks to say just throwing. Goes on the line to find Crosby. And Berry had no clue what happened there. Clearance here by Berry. Here comes Lewis. Find Thomas. Nice pass. Nice 1-2 pass here. Clearance here as Baswick. And another water break here as we hit the 67th minute of the game. Game still locked at 0-0. As I said, the longer the game plays, it definitely seems as if the scoreline will remain the same. None of each team trying to get something done or trying to get themselves on the score sheet. Initially, Cavalier with Lewis was the one who was trying to get in behind and try to get some goal. But he's dropping a bit deeper now since Nelson come on. Arnett now to make a substitution as you see Isabel Redwood coming on, getting ready on the side, number 17. The referee look to restart play here. Moulton Seems like the player was coming off. Yes, sir. Switching the right back position. As we start play here. Thomas. Shirley. Here comes Lewis now. Lewis versus Stewart. And fortunately couldn't get past Stewart. Here comes Lewis again. And there's a collision here between Lewis and Stewart. Both players are down on the deck. Free kick here too in favor of Lewis. Free kick here. Nelson stands over it. Will she whip this one to the back post or she's going to go direct at goal? Let's see what's happened. Whip to the back post. Sullivan. Oh, Sullivan is there. Stewart versus Sullivan. Nelson back again. Looking for the shot. Here comes Spence now. Spence looking for Douglas. And there was too much on that one. As Harris goes across the cleanup. Here comes Blanchett now. Big switch from Blanchett. A nice pass here from Blanchett. Here comes Shirley. Shirley goes around to find Lewis. And Reed was in a... Boswick, my apologies, was in a good position to clear that one up. Here comes Hamilton. Goes inside. Ah, that's a heavy pass. And too much on that one. Unsure what Flake was trying to do. Here comes Arnett Gardens now. Hamilton. Big switch from Hamilton. Here comes Blackwood. Redwood, my apologies, just coming on. Fresh legs. Arnett to the throw in here. Over the top. Lee. Clearance here. Hamilton now. Boswick. Back to Hamilton. One touch pass. It's too much here. Here comes O'Sullivan. Nicely taken. And she's taken down. Right in front of the referee. Blanchett steps up again. Lewis goes through center of the park, unfortunately. Edwards. O'Sullivan. Over the top. Here comes Lewis now. Lewis is in behind. And giving away. Shot from way out. And that was a beautiful shot. And O'Sullivan. Brilliantly taken by O'Sullivan. Wonderful. As you run across to the coaches. And Cavalier takes the lead This encounter, brilliantly taken. Wonderfully taken there. As Sullivan put the away team in front. Can we get a reply from the Arnett team? Spence. Redwood. Spence again. Thomas now working extremely hard. Fun fact, O'Sullivan would have taken quite a few shots earlier in the game. Just didn't come off as though she wanted to, but she finally got one from way out, and it was on the money. It was really, really on the money. Here comes Spence. Spence going in behind. Berry. Good defensive work there from Berry. Cavalier now in possession. I'm sure they're gonna wanna manage this game right now. As it stand. Blanchett over the top. And ball goes out of play. Throw in here. Lewis. Not having that one. Nice taking by Hamilton. Here comes Spence. Goes inside. Nice work from Spence. Goes across. Intercepted. Here comes Harris. Lewis now. And she's taken out. Nothing there. Passing behind. Nice turn here, Douglas. Crosby beats one. Goes inside. Douglas. Back to Crosby. Chance here. Goes across. And Lee was in a good position there to clean up. Clearance here by Lee. Hart. Nelson. Goes inside. O'Sullivan. Inside the channel. And unfortunately, she couldn't keep that one in. Nelson now. Lee. Not taking any check. Douglas with a chip pass. Here comes Spence. Spence goes inside. Spence seizing behind. Taken down. And a nice work from Spence, unfortunately. Couldn't find the back of the net. It's a very technical player. Shannon Spence. Plays down at this moment. Seems to be Lee. Another Cavalier player down on the floor. It's Arnett Gardens 0, Cavalier 1. Just 10 minutes left to go in this encounter. Maybe a bit of game management here from the Cavalier defenders. Actually, not Lee, but Berry, who's on the floor. The Cavalier bench seems small in numbers. Not sure if there's a substitute there. You would have already made a few substitutions. We saw the other Berry coming off, and also Watson for Harris. And Nelson across his side. That's a light one. Clearance here. Here comes Douglas. Find Richards. Richards finds Hamilton in between the line, and a big shot there from Hamilton, unfortunately. Too much on that one. Goal kick here for the Cavalier team. Blanchett to boot this one long. Big kick. Here comes Thomas. O'Sullivan. Nice turn there from Sullivan. Nice work from Hamilton. Here comes Spence. Richards. Douglas goes out wide. Douglas again. On and no, had the numbers forward. Big cross. And Lee was there in a good position. Stop that ball from causing any problem. Just played it out for a corner. Corner here. Douglas. Whip that one. That's a good delivery. And that's a chance here for Arnett Gardens. Goalkeeper struggles. And a clearance here. And so much happening in that penalty spot. Richards goes out to find Douglas again. Douglas whips it in. Clearance. Here comes a chance. Nelson still not leaving the 18-yard box. Here comes, and Spence frustrated on that one. As Edwards, as soon as she received the contact, she just went to ground. That's very, very smart. Spence is very frustrated, extremely frustrated. As Edwards is back on her feet now. Goalkeeper is down. Bit of game management going on here. Another long break here. Definitely wondering how much minutes is going to be added on for this one. 85. Please, as we saw here. Nelson gonna go along here. Big kick from Nelson. Here comes Lewis in behind. Nice work from Lewis. Thomas goes across the goal, and it's a big shot from Thomas, and she hits the back of the net. Oh my word! That did it. Definitely, that is it. For sure. That has to be it now. That would have concreted the 3 points for the Cavaliers team. Cavalier 2, Arnett Gardens 0, down at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex. At their home, visitors leading the way in the Jamaica Women Premier League. Brilliant finish from captain Kershaw Thomas. Brilliant finish. Here comes Hamilton. Lee. Nelson. Pass here from Sullivan. Big pass. Here comes Thomas again. Thomas. Looking for Nelson. Nice work from Nelson. Bit of skill there from Nelson. Hamilton working extremely hard. Nice pass here from Hamilton, trying to get Spence in behind. Spence is not the fastest. Looking to restart the game as fast as possible. Cavaliers now in the vibe, they're in the mood. They smell the 3 points already. As the game enter into the final minutes. Nelson looking to boot this one long. Booted long again. Nice kick. Nelson, Lewis. Nice first touch from Lewis. Here comes Thomas. Cut back. Nice work from Thomas. Nice bit of play here. Lit. Shirley. Nice work from Shirley. As I said, they are in the mood. Goes out wide. Harris. Gets past one. Nelson. Spence. Nice turn, Spence. Over the top. Trying to release Douglas. Into the final seconds of this first half. Substitution here for Arnett Gardens. Stewart coming off, captain. Shauna Lee Johnson coming on. Referee indicates 4 minutes at a time. Here comes Spence now. Trying to release. First comer Johnson in behind. Fleek. Booted long by Fleek. Lewis looking to lurk. Lewis lurking there. And that's a foul there. And Lewis. Redwood. Trying to release Spence in behind. Flake is there. Flake. And this is not looking good. And as expected, game has gotten out of hand. The referee issues some red card. To both goalkeeper and Spence. Daniel Flake and Chanel Spence receive red card each. This was coming, this was happening. Just a few seconds left in this game, so I'm not sure if this is going to impact anything or change anything. The referee looked to restart play here. It's very strange because both teams are quite close and familiar with each other. Here comes Cavalier again as play restart. Big kick here. Basic in possession. Hamilton. Douglas in behind now. Clearance by Berry. Shirley goes to the full length of the pitch. O'Sullivan now. Back to Shirley again. Going to the line. Legs are heavy. Crosby. Hamilton. Douglas. And ball goes out of play. Douglas now. Hamilton has been a really good player for the entire day. She has been really good. And the referee said he has seen enough. Here at full time, it is Cavalier 2, Arnett Gardens 0. Thank you very much, people, for joining. MG Sports TV. This is the broadcast of the Jamaica Women's Premier League. Arnett Gardens versus Cavalier. Game finish at Anthony Swallen Sports Complex. Arnett Gardens 0, Cavalier 2. Thank you for joining. Please do leave a like, share, and join us by subscribing before you go. Thank you very much for watching MG Sports TV. I'm your commentator, Mario Dakers. See you next time.